Hi everyone. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel for the first time. It's Debbie Dooms, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Fabfitfun starter box. And just to get that elephant out of the room, I'm wearing sunglasses and a literal hair hat because I haven't worn makeup today because I wasn't feeling that great, and I'm not gonna do it. So yeah, life hacks. Okay, so let's get right into it. So there's the box. Open it up. A note from me to you. And oh, it's like it tells you right away. So I guess you get quite a few. Oh fuck. Okay. So I got Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Can you see? Oh, there you go. I already have this and I'm not crazy about it, so sorry doggy. And okay, oh, I got some sunglasses. Oh, not too shabby. Let's see, they're from the brand Diff. Let's take a ooh, sunglasses. I'm obsessed with sunglasses, so I'm okay with it. It says let's make a difference. It's cute. Let's see. Ooh, they're aviators. I love aviators. Let's see. And I'm wearing sunglasses in the video. Okay, let's see. I might do a quick eye change. Eyeglass, or sorry, sunglass change. Ooh, I like these. They remind me of the high keys, because they kind of have that same gradient, except like probably like more of the mini, I would say. But I like these. Okay. Be right back. Oh my god, I like these more. Okay. Go off, Fabfitfun. I'm into it. They're very light. They feel nice. They remind me of the high keys. They've got a little bit of that fade. They look expensive. They probably are. I'm into it. And leave-in conditioner. And a bitch needs some conditioning in her hair for sure. Yeah, I have dry, frizzy, bleached, just frizzed up hair. So I actually do have this, but I don't know what I did with it because I misplace things all the time. So I actually need a leave-in conditioner. So as long as this works, I'm happy about it because I don't remember if I like this or not. So we'll see. And what is this? Summer and Rose. Just gonna open it up. Let's see. This looks like a little dish. It's pretty cute. It's got like a geometric design. Don't look at my nails, please. Thanks. It's got a really cute geometric design. I like it. I'm gonna find a use for it. I'm sure I will have to. But it's pretty cute. I love the little it's kind of like gold reflective. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, I'm sure I'll find something. I love the sunglasses. I do need a leave-in conditioner, so we'll see how that goes. Puffin cream. Yeah, no. I tried it. It doesn't do jack shit. So I might just regift it. But I mean from Canada, so altogether I think I paid $10 shipping. So for what I paid, it's a good deal, like, because it's free plus shipping, which is basically $10 Canadian. And also, as you may notice, I got a new camera. I got a Canon TCF7i. So hopefully look forward to better quality videos. and I want to keep growing and see where everything goes. But yeah, I guess that's it. I want to keep this video short and sweet. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, I would highly recommend getting the starter box, I guess, for just paying the shipping. That's can't go wrong. I'm sure the value is obviously more than $10, and these glasses alone are pretty cool. I think to make it worth it. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, whatever you gotta do, just don't make it weird. Okay, take care. Bye guys.